Hey everyone, today in this video, we're going to be setting up the Yarbo Core. Shout out to Yarbo for sending us this product. If you're interested in the Yarbo Core, you want to find out anything else about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First thing we're going to do is we're going to install the Smart Assist module that you see right here. It's going to connect right here. Very simple installation. We're going to connect this cable to the back side of the unit right there, and then just gently press everything firmly in place. So let's go ahead and get this cable connected. So it just presses in, this kind of snapped right in. So now we know we have it locked, and then to unlock, we would just press that and then it would slide right back out. But we have it pressed all the way in. Now we can seat this on the robot itself. So just very gently, we got these 4 metal prongs down there, where this is just gently going to rest and push in place. So it just snaps and clicks right in play. We have noticed that there still is some movement and motion right here, which is interesting on that module, but it does latch up at the top. That's not coming off unless you press this button to release, and that's how you can get it right back off. Next up, it's time to install the battery. So we go ahead, we just pop this cover right off. 2 tabs there, 2 tabs right there. And now we need to install the battery. It's going to plug right in here to this cable. Drop the battery right in place. Make sure the plug end is on this side to line up with the cable. Then you'll take the plug just like so and press it all the way firmly in place. And now we can put the cover back on. At this step, you can now install the anti-theft screws for the battery cover. Right here on the inside of the unit, you'll find a screw hole. There's a close-up of it. And same thing on the other side. So now locate these 2 antennas, and we're going to unscrew the top section here and install the low mount right on there. I guess it's important to note, it's not super clear in the instruction guide, before you bolted this piece on, I guess you could bolt these on just like that if you wanted the higher antenna mount there. But in our case, we can twist this right off and we can twist that right on. Nice and snug. Do that on the other side. Here's a look at both antennas installed. Now we're going to be installing the 3rd antenna, so locate this white cap and remove it. You'll also notice we have a rubber washer here. Let's leave that on for now. Now locate this antenna kit right here, and let's get the contents installed. There we go, we have all 3 antennas installed. The only thing left to do is to make sure you lift the emergency stop button. Now we have it lifted up, and under this cover right here, we have all of our different ports, like our charging port, and you'll find the power button right here to turn on the unit. There we go, everything has been set up on our Yarbo Core.